So here we have it, guys. It's part 2. It's a lot lighter now that I've fired it. Miraculous. This is the video that you've all been waiting for. Go on, like the damn thing you all kept saying on that video. Well, it's lit. And boy, you're in for a treat. 618 shots in 73 seconds. It says 160 on there. Oh no, 73 seconds. Beginning section, peacock. Drrr, left to right. Beautiful. It looks like peacock's flicked its tail up in the sky. Unbelievable. Then pound its sky with colour and effects. And then midsection, you think, wow. And then you just get hit by this whammy where you've got this Tigris-Am Crackle mine lift that literally fans out, fills the whole field up, and you'll see my van and the lads in the field, they look like little ants. Unbelievable. And then you think, go on, Grandad, hit it one more time, and wallop, round the back, in it goes. Unbelievable piece. Check the video out. Guys, if you want to see more videos like this, check us out on our socials, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. You'll get to see some of the finest landed products in the UK.